Imagine a cuisine where the savory richness of grilled meats meet the fresh vibrancy of herbs and vegetables, where the aroma of spices wafts through bustling bazaars and family kitchens. This is Turkish cuisine, a captivating blend of tastes and traditions that has been shaped by a rich history. Filled with robust flavors and cultural significance, it is a culinary journey that engages all senses. Join us as we delve into the heart of Turkey, exploring 10 of its most popular meals. Starting off our flavorful adventure at number 10, we have the hearty lahmacun. This Turkish delicacy is a thin, crispy flatbread topped with a savory mix of minced meat, vegetables, and herbs. Its taste profile is a delightful blend of spicy, tangy, and slightly sweet, making every bite a surprise. Lahmacun holds a special place in Turkish culture, often enjoyed as a quick, satisfying meal or a shared appetizer. A pizza-like delight, lahmacun is a testament to Turkey's ability to transform simple ingredients into a mouth-watering masterpiece. Moving forward at number 9, we find the refreshing Koban salatası. This salad is a staple in Turkish households, a vibrant mix of diced tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and green peppers. Garnished with parsley and dressed with olive oil and lemon juice, Koban salatası is the epitome of freshness. It's a perfect companion to a main dish or a delightful meal on its own during a hot summer day. Now, let's shift gears to number 8, the iconic simit. This circular bread, encrusted with sesame seeds, is the Turkish equivalent of a bagel. Its crunchy exterior and soft interior make it a beloved breakfast staple, and its street-side vendors are a common sight in Turkish cities. Simit can be enjoyed on its own with a cup of tea or paired with cheese or jam for a more flavorful bite. Whether it's a refreshing salad or a crunchy snack, Turkish cuisine has something for every palate. Continuing our journey, number 7 presents us with the aromatic manti. Imagine bite-sized dumplings filled with seasoned ground meat, topped with a tangy yogurt sauce, and sprinkled with sumac and red pepper flakes. Each manti is carefully handcrafted, a testament to the labor of love that is Turkish cooking. Now every bite of this dish is a burst of flavor that is both comforting and invigorating. And just when you thought Turkish cuisine couldn't get any better, we arrive at number 6, the sweet layered goodness of baklava. Picture flaky, paper-thin sheets of phyllo dough brushed with melted butter, stacked with a filling of finely chopped nuts, and sweetened with syrup or honey. Baked to a golden perfection, each piece of baklava offers a delightful crunch, followed by a smooth, sweet finish. From a savory dumpling to a sweet pastry, Turkish cuisine never ceases to surprise and delight. As we reach the top 5, the flavors intensify. At number 5, we meet the iconic kebab. A staple in Turkish cuisine, the kebab is a versatile dish that comes in a multitude of forms. From the succulent shish kebab, skewered and grilled to perfection, to the aromatic doner kebab, rotating on a vertical spit, there's a kebab to satisfy every palate. Sailing into spot number 4 is the delightful dolma. This dish sees vegetables like peppers, eggplants, and tomatoes, or even grape or cabbage leaves, stuffed with a tantalizing mix of rice, pine nuts, and spices. Each bite of dolma is a delightful surprise, encapsulating the warmth and hospitality of Turkish culture. At number 3, we find pide, often hailed as the Turkish pizza. Its boat-shaped dough is generously adorned with toppings that range from seasoned meats and fresh vegetables to a variety of local cheeses. Baked to golden perfection, pide is a testament to the simple allure of bread and toppings done the Turkish way. Number 2 brings us to meze, the heart and soul of Turkish dining. A collection of small dishes served with drinks, meze can include everything from hummus and eggplant salad to stuffed mussels and cheese rolls. It's not just a dish, but a social event, a chance to share food and conversation. And at number 1, we have the Turkish breakfast, a meal so diverse and rich, it's a culinary journey in itself. Imagine a table spread with fresh bread, a variety of cheese, olives, eggs, tomatoes, cucumbers, and the sweetest honey and jam. Add a steaming cup of Turkish tea, and you have a feast fit for a sultan. The Turkish breakfast isn't merely a meal. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the joy of sharing good food with loved ones. Now that's a meal worth waking up for. From the hearty lahmacun at number 10 to the grand Turkish breakfast at number 1, we've savored a feast of flavors. We've embarked on a delightful journey through the top 10 most popular meals in Turkey. From the spicy Adana kebab to the comforting lentil soup, each dish has offered a unique taste of Turkish cuisine. Join us again next time as we continue to explore the world through its cuisine. Until then, keep your palate adventurous and your appetite hearty. Before we wrap up this gastronomic journey through Turkey, we just wanted to say thank you for joining us on this adventure. We've explored the rich flavors and unique dishes of this incredible country together, and we hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have. If your taste buds are tingling for more, don't worry. We've got plenty more culinary adventures lined up for you. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tantalizing treats from around the world. Stay hungry, stay curious, and until our next journey, happy eating.